Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be making shrimp basmati jollof rice. For this, we're going to start by seasoning our shrimps with some paprika, ginger powder, garlic powder, some salt, and a bit of lemon pepper seasoning. We're gonna let this sit for a while, for at least 30 minutes. Then we're going to pan fry it 1.5 minutes on each side. Then we set it aside and move on to the jollof rice. For the jollof rice, we're going to start by sauteing some onions, some chopped onions in vegetable oil for about 5 minutes. Then I will go ahead and add the bay leaves so those flavors can be released into the oil. I'll add my pepper mix and my tomato paste, and you want to keep stirring this on medium heat so that it doesn't burn. Remember, we want our stew base to be really fried. In between frying, I will be adding my seasoning. So I'm adding some curry powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, my favorite chicken seasoning, Knorr, some ginger powder, some salt, and lastly, thyme. If you are watching this, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you know when I post a new video. I'll go ahead now and add my washed and drained rice and just stir it for a while. Afterwards, I will be adding a cup, about 3/4 of a cup of my chicken stock. And if you want to know how I season my chicken, I will link the video in the description box below, so please check that out if you're interested. I'm going to steam the rice now by covering the pot with foil to trap the heat and placing the pot lid on top of that. Then you're going to turn down the heat to medium low. We want this to slow cook so that the rice, the basmati rice, just cooks in that stew base and soaks up all that goodness. In between cooking, you're going to open it up and stir a little bit. This is just to prevent the rice from burning. Now the rice is about ready. We are going to garnish the rice with some freshly sliced onions, some butter, and our shrimps from earlier. And then we're going to mix everything through. This last part is totally optional, but if you want that smoky flavor for your jollof, you're going to do something called controlled burning. And I talked about this in my previous video. So what you're going to do now that the rice is ready is cover it back and crank up the heat for about 4 to 5 minutes and let the rice burn. As soon as you're done, you turn off the heat, and then let the rice just sit in that smoky flavor, or let the rice just absorb all that smoky flavor. And then you're gonna wait for about, I'll say 4 or 5 minutes again. Then afterwards, you can open up the lid and your smoky jollof is ready. And it tasted so good. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share this video with everyone you know. Till next time, bye.